red color clip. So this is my first cell. I am keeping this copper inside. Right. See, that is copper. Second side, I will take zinc. Alright, observe. This is copper, red wire is for copper, black wire is for zinc. Same way I will prepare the second side. Can you come here? Anyone? Hold it, hold this. Now, alright. Boys, girls, please raise it. Raise it. Now this is my first cell, this is my second cell. Look at the connection. Copper of the first cell is connected to LED. So this is the copper of my first cell. It is connected to LED, positive actually. And LED negative, see LED negative, where is it connected? Zinc of the second cell. Okay. So this is my zinc of the second cell. I just made the connection. So this part is over. Copper is connected to the zinc of the second cell. Now what is the next connection? Copper of second cell to the zinc of the first cell. So copper of second cell is this one. And zinc of the first cell is this one. I'm just making a connection between them. Right? We are done. Alright. So everything is exactly like our circuit. Now we will pour sulfuric acid and check. Keep them inside. No, you're not done. Please come. Hold it. So I'll pour sulfuric acid. Are you holding it properly? Hold it properly. I shouldn't sit and do it. You can't see this. Okay, everyone check this. I'll do it now. It's okay. So that I can raise, everyone can say I'm pouring sulfuric acid now. Is it glowing? No. Because only in one I have poured, now I'm pouring in the second one. Yes. Alright? That's it. That's a electric cell that we created using copper, zinc and sulfuric acid. Okay, now I'll bring them to you. I want you to observe where the reaction is happening. So check if copper is showing the reaction or zinc is showing the reaction. Okay, that is what I want you to check. Alright. Now the smell that comes out is not good. Because of the impurities inside sulfuric acid and zinc, you might feel very bad. So keep your back straight. Don't go into it and see where do you see reaction? Near